Welcome to another episode of Project Nest. The construction of the fence wall continues. We have successfully reinforced this particular side of the fence wall. Now we are moving ahead to increase the height of this particular wall of the fence. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video with friends and family, make use of the comment section, click on the like button. This will stand as a source of motivation for us to keep creating real estate content for you. So you can see how lovely the work is going. So the framework extension is going on this side. The wall has been extended and it's time for us to cast the extension parts of the columns that was introduced to reinforce this particular side of the fence. So you can see the other side has been covered. So the formwork extension is ongoing. So you can see this was the previous formwork that was used. Now we have to raise it and brace it for us to be able to cast the column extension. Without this column reinforcement that was introduced on this wall, it is definitely going to be impossible for us to be able to extend the height of the wall. At OLAMOSH Realty and Construction, we have principles. We respect the building codes of Ghana, and we have to make sure everything is visible when working on any construction project. You can see how lovely the work is looking so far compared to the second episode, and you can see how spacious the land is. So far, this part has also been achieved, and the extension will also be casted, which is a column extension for the additional 2 course of walls that was added. On this part is 3 course. So the formwork is going to be removed and placed on the other side for us to complete the casting aspects. So the other edge over there, so we purchase new boards, which is a cyber boards, for us to also bind that particular angle over there, this corner over here. Don't forget, if you're searching for a building contractor here in Ghana or in Nigeria as well, get in touch with us with any of the numbers shown on your screen. So from architectural design, building construction and supervision, we are here for you. We have the right team to come on board to turn your dream into reality. So as usual, we are making use of 42.5R grade of cement. So right now we are trying to cover up the space beside the entrance columns to prevent water deposition. So all these walls that has been completed over here as well. So one of the laborers is in charge of that, trying to fill up the space over there, so in case when it rains. And this also helps the walls and the columns as well. So it's going to be coming to do the same thing over here as well. So we're going to fill up this place. It will be backfilled. It will help to improve the structural integrity of the column and the block walls. So don't forget to subscribe, share this with friends and family. Searching for litigation-free lands. Get in touch with us. You have property you want to sell. Let's help you to get the right clients to come on board to purchase them. You have been introduced to a property and you want to perform a due diligence. Get in touch with us. So this is the column extension, which is the pillar. So just in terms of increasing the facade, the beauty aspect of this fence wall. So we're going to have steel designs, metalworks. So this metalworks will be put in between each of the space that has been created within from one column to another. So the same thing will be done over here. So it's going to be extended. So this next one as well is also going to be extended. So we're adding like 3 course on it. So the same thing has been done over here. So we have to repeat it like that. So that is the front part. So this is a corner piece, which is a land having access from 2 different roads. But this front here is where that is the location that has been chosen to be the main entrance, and also to increase the security aspect for this project. So we have to only do that for one side. So you can see this board has been removed, and you can see how beautiful and neat the casting was. So this formwork as well too will be removed and it will be extended to the other side. So we're going to be introducing a column at the other side over here, and we want to make sure it comes out the same width, the same height with the other columns that we've created at this side of the wall over here. So all this has to be chiseled out to create a very strong bonding between the column and the 2 walls. So the formwork is being prepared. So you can see how beautiful this is coming up. So the same thing that was done over here will be repeated at the other side as well, so that the front view will be uniform. So you can see how lovely the whole work is going. You can see the huge difference. So at OLAMOSH Reality and Construction, every project we handled, we make sure we make statements. So the remaining 3 columns, the formwork has been removed and has been extended to the other side. Don't forget we introduce 6 new columns, which are reinforced columns, in order for us to be able to increase the height of this wall and also ensure that there is safety. The way it was done before was extremely bad. So the concrete is being mixed. You have the stone, you have the sands, and you have the cement for us to cast the column extension for that particular wall. So the mixing ratio, as usual, 1:2:4. So we have this casting work which is being done. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also in the next episode we'll see the final view of this, and also carpentry work is coming to be done over here as well. So you'll be seeing what we are coming to do next before the project is going to commence. So we're trying to blind this particular place, and we are adding 1 course over there, so that when it rains it will not affect the work we are coming to do over here. As I told us, we have 2 major entrances. This is the main one, and the other one is a supporting one. But over here we're going to be covering this side permanently for now. Then we'll be making use of the other side. Don't forget to get in touch with us for your building construction service, real estate investment here in Ghana or in Nigeria. Just get in touch with us. So stay glued to this channel for the next episode on Project Next, and also other projects that we are working on. So also we're giving you updates on the project at Kwabeyan Hills as well, and also the one at Abokobi as well. We also have projects coming up in Osu, so I'll be giving us the updates on the soil test that has been performed. So don't forget, stay glued and see you some other time. Bye.